Hello everyone. Good evening. Now our video topic will be creating AWS ECS container, our first AWS ECS container. So before that, I would like to show you the app which I am going to publish on Docker Hub, get that image and then build our first ECS container. So I will go to VS Code here. Also, I will go to Docker Hub. Docker Hub is already open, so we can see that this last image was pushed 6 hours ago. So we will just change something in this image, update it, and then we will see the effect. So here, putting in our first ECS service. So this is the change, so I will just save it. So now we will build the image. So I will just invoke this one. This is the build command I normally use for this project. So the image is built. Now let us run the image. Okay, we will just test the image right now. Okay, this is our localhost image. So the image is working fine. We will just push this image. First, let us log in the hub. Okay, login is successful. Now we will push this image. I will pause the video until it completes the pushing. So we can see that all the layers, because it is updating, it is saying already exists. Okay, it is done, so I don't need to pause. So let me see if I have the current image on my Docker Hub. So I will just refresh this page. Yes. So we can see that the last push is a few seconds ago. So these are all the images on this repository. So we will just go to Amazon ECS. So this is let me just come through the management console. AWS prepare. I'll just sign into the console, and here we can see that all the recent services are reflecting which I have accessed. So I will just search for ECS and this one comes. So we will start with this one first. When this screen appears, just click get started. So here we can see how to use how to get started with Amazon Elastic Container Service. So Amazon Elastic Container Service is a fully managed service by Amazon. Here we will just configure our image and all the rest will be taken care of by Amazon. That is the load of creating a virtual machine and everything that will be done by Amazon. So I will just give the directions on how to configure this image. So we will click on custom. Here I click on configure, and then I give, say, my first ECS. Okay, the image name will be this one. Image name will be this one. Say I will just go back to general. So this one will be my image name, chandan.ganguly260977. So this will be my image name. I'll just press Ctrl C and I'll paste it over here. It will just draw from the Docker Hub. I need not do anything over here. It is a public repository, so nothing needs to be done. Since I have configured this app on port 80, if we go to this one, say in the Docker file, we can see that I have exposed port 80, and also the app.js here is listening to port 80. So I will give the port 80 over here. I will map the port 80. We will come to all these parts on our later videos. For the time being, as this is the first one, I will just go ahead with the defaults. So here we can see our first service is configured, the container definition. We will go by the first task definition, so it is there already. AWS VPC Fargate. Fargate is the management console of ECS. Here we will see all our facilities on this screen, but for now, for the first video, I am going with no load balancers. Then I will have a cluster name, so I will give my first cluster. Then I will just review it. So this is it, creation of my first container. So this will take some time. Again, I will pause the video and return back when it is complete. Okay, so we can see everything is complete. Now we will just go to the view service. Yes, and we can see the status is active, task is running, cluster is up. So I will go to the tasks and click on the okay, it is last status is pending. Just let me wait for a couple of seconds. Okay, so here it is now running. We can see that this has a public IP. We can map it to our own domain, or we can just go ahead and check it over here if it is running. So here is it, putting it our first ECS service. The container is up and running. So that's all on this video. We will cover more advanced topics as we progress. Please like, share the video, and please subscribe to our channel for more updates on AWS ECS services. Thank you.